Hi, my name is Olamide, and this is the 6th week at DigifyPro, and it's been a really long way.
This is week 6, and it has been an amazing week as usual. We were taught about UI and UX, and our Facebook blueprint also was, we had practical sessions on how to run ads, how to do lead generations, and catalog sales, a lot of things. It was more practical this week, a lot of practical works, and it really helped us because we were able to know how and the process it will take in pulling out those actions.
At this time, I must say that I'm very excited because before now, I thought the web design used to be one very big thing. But then this week, I was able to learn the basics, at least like a skeleton where I can go and put the body after the DigifyPro.
On Monday, we received a brief from 4 Communications about a beauty soap that's emerging into the Nigerian market. And it was very interesting, it was very challenging. And even though we were all girls in my group, we found it rather challenging relating to the brief. But at the end of the day, we were able to distill the brief and work on it together as a group.
After giving us the brief, my group member and I, we had to debrief. And after debriefing, we got to understand that all we have to do is how to bring the market to the face of customer. And we did a lot of research, and presently right now we're working on our budget.
It has been really tense because of this brief. It came in a different manner because it's a live brief, but it's more deeper than the other ones that we have actually worked on.
One thing I love about the brief is that we were not restricted, no restriction, we were given the liberty to think out of the box, and it's really a challenging one. The fact that we were given the chance to debrief a product, a foreign product, and also we were given a challenge that we are to make it known to the market. It's a new one, to make it known to the market, to get conversion, engagement, and a target was also given to us. So it's a very challenging brief, but I'm expecting a good result at the end of the day.
Everything we've learned from week 1 down to week 6, we're trying to infuse it into the live brief will be presented today. So it's more like all what we've been learning throughout the training program. That is what we're going to present today.
My name is Yemi Orimolade. I am the Marketing and Communications Coordinator for Microsoft in the Middle East and Africa. Yeah, so I'm super excited to be part of this today. The program as it is, it's one that is very encouraging, more so that once we begin to look for expertise in the area of digital marketing, we do not have clear-cut processes or platforms like this, but I think what is happening here at Digify, it's something that is worth worth following, or it's an exemplary example that one should follow through. And I think those who are doing it, those who are managing it, I think kudos to them for doing a great job.
Coming to 4 Communications to present the brief today was very interesting. Unlike the other agencies we've gone through where we have to give our brief before we get the tour, we got to tour around first today. And every staff at 4 Communication was rather warm, welcoming and friendly. They were really eager to put us through what they do and encourage us in this part of digital marketing.
Hello, my name is Phebe Okeyinka. A few days back, on Monday specifically, I gave a brief to the Digify NG students, and they were asked to work on a beauty brand. And interestingly, they've come here today and they've given their various solutions on how they thought best that the brief should be answered. and I am super impressed, I must say. I've learned so much from them all, and they gave very interesting angles, to the solutions for this particular brand. They had very interesting angles to the ideas. Some of them actually even thought, that the campaign idea rather needed to be changed, and they had a very strong reason for it. And of course, we didn't kick against that because we think that there's no one way, to answering any brief.
My name is Phebe. I am the talent manager in Fuel Communications, an advertising agency, as it were. Today we have in our midst the group from Digify Africa, and then last year they were also in our midst. But somebody may be asking, why is Fuel supporting this? We are supporting this because we've seen a great move from traditional media to the digital world, and that gives us a sign of where the world of advertising is moving to. So we want to partner with young, agile minds that we see as talents that is needed for the future of work, and that is one of the reasons why we are giving our full support to this program. And we hope that at the end of it all, we will be able to equip our team with such agile talents. That is our target.
I'm happy to see the progress and development and transformation of all our participants. The brief was on a female beauty product, and this week, interestingly, I actually divided the groups into 2 female groups and 2 male groups. So because there was a lesson to be learned there. Every time you receive a brief from a client, it has nothing to do with your own personal experience, life experiences, or your gender or whatever. It always starts with understanding the brief, understanding the needs of the client, and then understanding the target audience perfectly. And then, of course, getting insights from the target audience.
Why are we interested in this as Fuel Communications? This is because we believe strongly that obviously these are the leaders of now and tomorrow. So if that is so, we will only be a smart agency to ensure that we're supporting this initiative. And I think that Digify NG is doing a very brilliant job, because they're not only developing students in terms of their knowledge base, but they're actually imbibing the right qualities into them, things that will take them far in life outside of the knowledge, or the skills that they have. And I think that this is very good because it makes individuals to become more rounded and ensure that their progression is not just about the career only. It's really about how they can deliver value to the society at large.
So for the team that came in here today, all of them did so wonderful. They answered the brief very well. They were well detailed. Time could not permit for some of them to be able to, deliver all they had wanted, all they had planned to do, but they were able to give it their best. And my advice to them is that as they are taking up this journey, they should pay attention to their career growth also as they are working towards digital. It's not just about today, but about the impact they want to create in the future of work.
So Group 2 came tops in this competition between the students. And one of the reasons why they came tops was because they had a very interesting addition to their solution. So there was a landing page. It was not just figurative, it was actually live. We could see it, we could test it, we could actually experience it, and I thought that was very brilliant. The fact that they thought that the cultural nuances were very important, and because of that, they created a tool that they were sure would connect properly, with the TA that we were looking at. I thought that was very brilliant, and of course, that's part of the reasons why they were the winning team.
So I'm really, really excited. I've been waiting for this day since 6 weeks, and I'm glad the day came today. Working on this brief was quite challenging for me and my team members, but along the line we were able to digest the brief, came up with good strategy, came up with very good landing page, and so this morning, I don't know, but it's a good win, and I'm glad. Seriously.
Congratulations, ladies. Congratulations, and I look forward to bigger and better things. They are able to now come up with ideas, the campaign, the creative strategy, all the way to the budget for executing the their ideas. So I'm more than happy. Thank you so much for your communication. Thank you to all the agencies that have had us so far. That has been the 4th agency tour. And we're just 2 weeks away from graduation, guys. I'm so proud of your development. So look forward to next week's presentations.